Hello everyone. In this video, I will be explaining about financial decisions. All the business activities are involved in doing various types of activities. One of the important activities the business should take is financial decisions. The important business activities involved are production activities, marketing activities, and finance activities. All business activities involve acquisition and use of funds. Finance function makes money available to meet the cost of production and marketing operations. For this, financial policies are devised to put the production and marketing decisions of your firm in practice, so that these finance functions or financial decisions are taken. These financial decisions are divided into two categories: long term financial decisions and short term financial decisions. Long term financial decisions are taken for the long period of time. That means long term asset mix or investment decisions or capital budgeting decisions. Also, capital mix or financing decisions or capital structure decisions and leverage decisions are taken as long term financial decisions, and profit allocation or dividend decisions are considered as long term financial decisions. And short term financial decisions are those decisions which are taken for the short period of time, mainly liquidity decision, working capital management decision, and short term asset mix decisions are considered as short term financial decisions. And there is an interrelationship between financial decision, investment decision, and investment dividend decisions. Before knowing about the interrelationship between these decisions, let us know what is finance decision. Finance decisions are those decisions which aims at procurement of the funds and utilization of the funds. All the financial decisions relating to procurement of the funds and utilization of the funds are made through financing decisions. And investment decisions are mainly long-term budgeting decision and short-term decisions. Mainly it is called as working capital decision. Working capital means the difference between current asset minus current liabilities, otherwise the capital required for running day-to-day business activities. And dividend decisions are mainly concerned with the decisions relating to declaration of the dividend. Mainly the total earnings of the companies are given to the shareholders in the form of dividend. So dividend decisions, it's mainly taken to distribute the percentage of total profit to the shareholders. It fixes the payout ratio by which the total profit of the company will be distributed to the shareholders in the form of dividend. I hope this video will be helpful to understand the concept of financial decisions. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.